The revolution that is happening currently in the healthcare is all related to data at a certain point.
Patients go to different kinds of doctors and they all document in their own systems. And the interoperability between those systems is challenging.
Dataspace4Health demonstrates the benefits of data-driven innovation and AI. With this project, we aim to connect all the different stakeholders from the healthcare industry around the same ecosystem.
Unleash the power of data that are currently kept in silos in the different area of the healthcare actors.
This project is very fascinating because it's, on one hand, it solves the issue of sharing data in a secured way, and on the other one, it goes for exploring new use cases about diabetes and oncology.
Between 30 and 50% of the general population will develop one kind of cancer in their lifetime. And diabetes is the first reason for renal failure worldwide. So it's a major public health problem and a major cause of death.
We want to allow the patient to get better treatment based on their condition.
And what we want to do is a 360-degree principle, that you go to your doctor, your data are transformed from primary use to secondary use, so they can be used for research, and bringing back, again, profiling mechanism to your doctor that can help you fast.
So if we have all this information from a patient, we have the sequencing information, the molecular information from the patient, we can integrate it with the different databases where these targeted therapies are available, and we could incorporate this knowledge together with the data that's available at the Dataspace4Health.
The digital twin approach gives us access to next level prevention. We want to intervene before complications develop.
This could change their life, so this is why we are ensuring that everything will be done in a secure way and also compliant with all the different regulations.
We have a lot of advantages in AI, Gen AI, that we can work on, that we are collaborating with the University of Luxembourg.
So at SNT, we have developed an expertise on trusted AI. So this means that we develop methods to make sure that the AI systems behave correctly.
We ensure that whatever the scientific community comes up with can be fed back into the hospital systems and used in near real time by the clinicians during their patient visits.
Dataspace4Health initiative is perfectly aligned with the United Nations Sustainability Development Goals.
It is health and well-being, plus it is also fitting with like all the standards like Gaia-X that we are trying to put in place in Europe.
With the European Health Data Space implementation, European Commission would like to save over €1 billion for the decade. And our project is clearly contributing and aligning with this sustainable goal.
Framework that a platform is building can be reused for the other type of projects like agriculture, finance, or manufacturing.
Dataspace is a beautiful project, having all different partners around the same table. We have LNDS, we have LAH, HRS, we have University of Luxembourg, Agence Santé, and of course Entity Data as a prime lead.
This ecosystem is open to onboard new partners. So we would like to onboard any new partner who would contribute to finding the best solution.
Everybody can connect and use this know-how and use this technology in order to share the data and develop new things.
Success for that project is that we have a collaboration with other countries on fighting disease and building new drugs and being able to change the world on the healthcare side to a better way.
We have already started the actual connection between Luxembourg testbed and the University of Tokyo testbeds. This is leading action to realize the federal collaboration of the data space in the world.
And that would also make our data set larger, our knowledge base larger, and that will subsequently benefit back to the patients.
You can really use this platform, collecting the data and do a better healthcare.
This is an international work to solve the international issues. I believe this creates the true open innovations.